In this video, I'll show you how to connect and use Google Meet inside Hubspot. How to use Hubspot integration with Google Meet. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here to your Hubspot. Then click on the gear icon in order to go to your settings. Once on your Hubspot settings, you just need to go over to the Integrations tab. So if you can't find it, you can click onto the search bar that we have out of this case. Once you click on this, search for Integrations. So click on this, Your Integrations. So for this case, you can see all the apps connected to your Sunbar. So what you can do is we just need to head over and then go to your app marketplace and connect the Google Meet app. So earlier, you already see that we have the Google Calendar. So that's already connected. But let me show you as well anyways. So click on this search right here and search right there for Google Meet. Here's Google Meet. Click on this. Then in here, it requires Google Meet subscription. So for this case, you need to have a Google account. So click on Install. Then it will open right here this new window. So just log into your Google account right there. Once you do, you will be logged in and then just click on Continue. And after this, just allow what it can access and click on Continue again. And once you're done with that, it will be connected right here. That's it for this quick guide. Like and subscribe for more short HubSpot tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.